It's been 2 months since I posted a video about this self-watering pot with an external reservoir. As you can see, it's done very well. It grew explosively for the first month, but then summer's heat hit with a vengeance, and the high heat stunted it. The heat also allowed fusarium wilt to slow the growth of the plant. Originally, both containers were covered in foil to reflect sun and keep their temperatures down. It worked great. It also worked great at attracting black widow spiders, who liked the dark, hollow space between the two pots. The foil was replaced with white paint, which didn't really work as well, and made seeing how much water was in the reservoir impossible, even though a clear viewport had been left in it. This watering system worked as expected, providing a steady supply of water over several days. But in my high desert location, with daily highs around 105 degrees, humidity as low as 10%, steady winds, and blazingly bright sunlight, the plant was going through over 2 gallons a day. This means the reservoir had to be topped off every other day. It wasn't the plant and forget system I was hoping for. So I converted it to a longer duration watering system consisting of a basin, a float valve, and a 30-gallon reservoir. What's nice about this new system is that it not only provides up to 2 weeks of water, even in the hottest part of summer, but it also moves the reservoir out of the growing area, making room for more pots. Burying the basin 6 inches down exposes it to the cooler ground, which can be as much as 30 degrees cooler in our summer. By using a larger basin, multiple pots can be supported by the same system, though the reservoir won't last as long. I could have plumbed it directly into the house water supply, but using a reservoir lets me adjust our local water's high pH downward and add nutrients if needed. I hope you found this video interesting and that it provided ideas for your own self-watering system. Thanks for watching.